Hey, what's up, guys? 65 Lokes here. I just got this package in today with some product for the online store. I want to share with you guys. Let's see what came in today. So we do have some display products right here, and on this side we have some of the Aoshima restock kits that came in, and then we also got this new kit right here. I mean, it's been out in the market earlier this year. Pretty cool piece. This is, let me pull that out here. This is from a brand, Suyata. I believe it's from China. Pretty dope though. This is a 132 scale armored sports car. And it comes with the racer there. Let's see the pictures. Box art looks pretty awesome. Oh, there you go. There's some more box art right there. We got a couple of these. And yeah, whenever you try to order these, they sell out pretty quick. So I managed to get those. We also have some products from Iwata here. Their art tool series, some FX stuff. We got some of the display sanding sets here. Come in a cool little box, pretty neat. And these are pretty much like the rulers. They come in, each side has a various scale, and I'll have to open those up later to show you guys. And let's see what else. Oh, then we also got some of the containers as well. These are pretty cool. Put your tools in here. It's dope because it's really sleek. So especially like if you want something portable, you can put your sanding pads here on this side and then all your tools on this side. You know, if you travel or you go on vacation or something, you want to work on your model cars. We also got this tool right here, the micro rivet. So yeah, this is a new one that just came in. We're going to be getting more. We've slowly been getting some of the master tools here. There's also this piece right here that caught my attention. Let me move this out of the way. This one right here. This is a handy cleaner. Saw a video on a review and picked up a few of these. I'm gonna try one out to see how it is, but it's for the bench, for the table. I know a lot of times when you get dust, you can brush it off or wipe it with a wet nap, but I just want to see what this is about, you know. Maybe this could be useful for somebody out there for their desk, you know, especially if you're working with like resin indoors or something and you don't want to blow out everywhere. You could just, this will suck it in right here. It's like a little vacuum kind of thing. So those I will have up on the store. We also got some saw blades here too from Olfa. Let's just open this up. Let's see which one's this one here. Oh, here we are. So it's this style of saw blade. They do the blades for Tamiya right here. So got those. Let's see if this is the. I got a couple different ones. I don't know if it's this one. I'm just gonna see which one it is because there's a couple different sizes. Oh yeah, here we are. There's the other size right here. It's a lot bigger size right there. But both of them pretty handy. They come in little cases, and there's 3 of them in here, so you can see it there attached to the hobby knife. So we got those, and we also got some Mr. Hobby product right there. It's taped up, so I can't open it right now at this very moment. And then this is just another case that you can use for the you know, sanding pads. You could even put wheels in here. Very universal. You can put various things in here pretty much. So these are pretty cool. Then right over here, this box, can't skip it. There's a lot of goodies in here. A lot of AK stuff. Check it out. We got these hobby knives right here. Cutting tools with the blades. Then we also got some other weathering pencils. We got a restock on these too. These were a good hit when they came out. Pretty cool, especially for cutting tape or styrene. Let's see. What else? We also got one of the pin vices here. This one's pretty cool. I like, it's black, has their logo on there. It's pretty neat. And you also have their own version of a stencil, kind of similar to the ones made by Anesta Iwata. Here, let me pull out that one that I had shown earlier. Check it out. You see, kind of similar. And in this one here, I mean, it's for the 124 scale. We also got some blades, extra blades, and there's a ton of them right there. What else? What else? A lot of little goodies in this box. Then we also have, check it out, some tubing right there. This is 0.3 millimeter. What's this one here? Hope the same. 0.3. Oh, and then we also got these files here too. And this one comes with the brush as well, right in there. And then we also got the diamond files too. So this is just another brand, Master Tools. And little by little, I mean, more and more stuff keeps popping up. We also got the scriber here. But yeah, guys, just wanted to share what came in. I mean, one box, some restocks, and some new product, but not quite a lot is what we normally get. But next week, I am expecting a pretty big shipment of stuff coming in, Aoshima stuff and other various things. So stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna keep doing more of these videos showcasing what comes in, so you guys can see what's gonna be available. Forgot to show these, the 6 walls tray. All right, guys. Well, thank you for tuning in. Peace out.